Ladies and gentlemen, bisig asa pa ni siya paingon, his heart will always belong to his dear alma mater. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Sir Paulito P. Castino.
Good evening, everyone. Again, we are here to celebrate this third Grand Alumni Homecoming. And for tonight, we will have our PS Alumni 2025, the evenings up here. As well as after this coronation night, we'll have our disco party as well. So everyone, please enjoy tonight's evening's party, and we will enjoy this alumni, and hoping that this evening will full of fun and enjoyment for each and every one of us. Okay, let's begin our program for our Miss PS Alumni 2025 with I'll pass it to our MCs to start with his introduction number for the candidates. Okay, again, good evening everyone. I'm not prepared to say the nice welcome address, but okay, just enjoy this evening. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much for our Payao Elementary School faculty and staff for their opening salvo.
The journey of Payao Elementary School. It all began here, in these humble rooms under tea leaves beside chocolates one thing by a time. We were once children with backpacks full of dreams and hearts full of hope. Payao Elementary School wasn't just a school, it was our playground, our training ground, our second home. With limited materials, our teachers gave us the world. They taught us to read, to count, to imagine, and most of all, to believe. Our parents, volunteers, and communities stood alongside them, giving what they could because they knew what was at stake. Year after year, our leaders carried the vision. Teachers came and went, but the mission remained strong, to educate and empower. Slowly, the school grew in space, in numbers, in pride, and so did its students. In the beginning, there were no fancy classrooms, only hope and chalk dust. Our very first teachers stood before us, not with modern tools, but with hearts full of mission and faith in every Filipino child. They were builders of more than lines. They built a culture as thunder, a legacy. Through decades of change, their presence remained our constant. They knew every child's name, every struggle, every dream. They stayed late, sacrificed weekends, and gave more than what was asked for. Because for them, teaching was never a job. To every teacher who entered this gate, and to every stakeholder who helped open the inquiry, thank you very much. Your word echoes through every graduate. Your legacy lives in every classroom. This school, Payao Elementary School, stands because you stood first. From past to present, we honor you. For years, the dream echoed in our hearts. What if our students didn't have to travel far just to continue learning? What if right here in Payao, we could build not just a home, but a high school? the dream began to take shape. She saw not just a building but a future anchored in access, quality, and dignity in education. With the tireless efforts of Dr. Likayan and Ms. Artesis, and the unwavering support of school and community leaders, the vision turned into action. They led the groundwork, the documentation, the legwork, and most importantly, the inspiration. This is no longer a dream. It is a reality taking form in the heart of our community. And now, a new chapter begins. Today, we proudly announce the opening of Payao National High School for this school year 2025-2026. This is more than just infrastructure. It is a dream fulfilled. For decades, our students had to leave our Barangay to continue their education. But now, they can stay and still soar. But opening a high school is only the beginning. Sustaining it, nurturing it, is where the real work begins. We need your support, as alumni, as parents, as community. Because when we invest in our youth, we invest in everyone's future. To our dear alumni, your story began here. Now, we ask you to be part of this next chapter. The high school needs your help for books, chairs, laboratories, learning spaces. Whatever you can give will grow a legacy. Donate, volunteer, mentor. Let us rise together for this school, for our children, and for the future of Payao. It takes a village to raise a child, but it takes vision, heart, and unity to raise.
Ato ang mga kabatanunan na dili na mag-travel pa o kayo, dili na mga tupa bisan asa para mo eskwela, kay naa nagyud ta eskwelahan na accessible sa tanan. So, among giyawag ug among gituktok ang inyong tagsatag sa kakasing-kasing. Nga hinaot, muhatag mo ginagmay, pwede po og dinagko, basta kinasing-kasing para sa ito ang Payao National High School. Kaysa sinugdanan namang yun na lisod ang tanan. Okay, so, thank you so much for that video presentation prepared by Ma'am Sarah. Okay, so at this time, let's go back to our coronation. Ready na ba ang tanan? Ready na? Excited na ba? Excited na. So, without so much dilly-dally, let us introduce our board of judges. Let's start with our first judge, single. Coming from San Pedro, Guerrero Bohol, graduated her elementary years at Guerrero Central Elementary School and graduated her secondary years at Immaculate Academy and graduated her tertiary education at Bohol Island State University main campus. She graduated her graduate studies at University of Bohol, took up Master Award in Teaching Social Science and Magna Cum Laude. Has also completed her academic requirements and Doctor of Philosophy in Educational Management. A secondary school teacher 3, the ICT coordinator and officer in charge of Guerrero National High School, the most outstanding secondary school teacher of Guerrero District, and soon the school in charge of Payao National High School. A very good friend of mine, a woman of substance, and ang babaeng walang pahinga. Let's give it up for Miss Sarah May Arkansas. And welcome to our coronation night. Our next judge, ladies and gentlemen, a licensed professional teacher, a graduate of Master of Public Administration at Cebu Technological University, a law student at University of Visayas, a firefighter of Bureau of Fire Protection, Region 7. Ladies and gentlemen, a very good friend of mine, my friend since high school, the ever-gorgeous Al-Yurin. Ladies and gentlemen, make way for Miss Marlin Salamanca Olano, our second judge. Pagka-white lady. Thank you so much. Yes, pagka-white lady. Gikan pag yun sa Cebu, tungod kay friends sila Mang Daday, iyag yung hiuli si Mang Daday. Ingana niya kapinangga si Mang Daday. Chat siya na, girl, si Mang Daday, manggod kay friend ni. Hey, hali. Thanks to Juning Talent Free, ani. Okay, thank you so much. Girl, welcome to our alma mater. Next in line, an educator at Ginsulara National High School since 2017. Master of Arts in Teaching Filipino and graduated in the year 2020 at University of Bohol. The member of practice and rehearsal at Ginsulara National High School, a set designer of Ginsulara National High School, and of course, well-known na po ni siya karon. One of the coordinator of Hiraya Performing Artist, ang beshin ng Ginsulara National High School, my friend, the very good friend, generous, mangginaw-naon, oh beautiful, outside and inside. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the chairperson of our board of judges. We have Sir Jason Mendoza.
Hello sir, welcome.
Thank you so much. Kumpleto na yun ang ato ang mga judges, and I think you will have a hard time tonight. Kay Bogyot ko, kanis iyan, kanis girl, chatting isud na girl. Kay arang bapahang ato ang mga candidates karon. O grabe ilang pag-practice last year pa. Okay. So, at this time, we will proceed ang ato ang mga judges, and I think our candidates are also going to inspire you. Sa asa akong dapita na makapa-inspire ninyo? Na ba? Asa dapita, Sir Paul? Okay. So, di na naman kumuhatag o inspirational talk. Kay, the way you look at me, you will inspire. Am I right? Diba? Tinoo din eh. Okay. Bitaw, it's been a long journey, John, nga na-realize ning atong gihimong third grade alumni. Daghan ang mga circumstances nga among nagian, labi na John ang paghimo nato sa atong Payaw National High School. 1 minute documents nagpanghimo na mong day Sara, way paniuto, way pamahaw, memorize ang tanan, aron naman makabot ni sa opisina first hour. Kay mo jud nay ahong kanang batasan nga. Ug matubang ko og dagkong tawo para sa importante nga mga tuyo, first hour jud ko maabot adto. Kinahanglan ako, kami, ang magbuwat sa tao nga among pag-aistoryahon. Dili kay ang tao among patuon mo ang magbuwat. So, mauna, from January, mga last week, until karon, on process na ta, humana na ta sa atong kanang Payaw National High School. So, ang akong ikahatag ninyo nga ma-inspire mo is to be resilient. Bisan pa sa tanang unos na umabot sa itong kinabuhi, hinahanglan magpakatatagtag. Ang atong una-unaon, dili lamang para sa atong kaugalingon, but through the entire community, for the umon good. Maura jud na siya. So I hope na you will be inspired with the way we work here in Payao Elementary School. Ladies and gentlemen, our candidate number 1. Next in line, we have our candidate number 2. Thank you so much, candidate number 3. And now let's move forward to our candidate number 4.
Tirahin mo yung mga judges. Tirahin mo yung mga judges. Ito pigwal lang.
Thank you so much, candidate number 4.
And now make way for our candidate number 5.
5.
Candidate number 5 is the face of the night. Ma'am Jo, move forward.
Congratulations.
Ito, gandang Binoy na kayo.
Kasi ma'am, nakalimos just yung number.
Kuya was Ma'am Joanne. I am requesting Ma'am Nicanora. Bulotaulo, ikaw na naghawi ka na ma'am. Sige naman ma'am. Our master teacher of Payao Elementary School 2, Pin the Sash, face of the night. Okay, ato Tagalog, masigabang palakpakan si Ma'am Laura. And our face of the night is none other than
Candidate number 5. Congratulations.
Okay, so kadaki na ka na Ma'am Jo, ayun nakabalik sa pwesto. Okay, ato gihapon. Nagkadimahan manday ko. Salamat sa Diyos ang pag-practice of 20 minutes. Next, we have our next award is Darling of the Crowd. Candidate number 3.
Congratulations, ma'am.
I am requesting Ma'am Annalisa Sinita to pin the sash for our darling of the crowd. Tagal na ito kasi gabang palakpakan si Ma'am Ana.
Our advisor when I was in grade 5. Hello, ma'am. Our best in production number is no other than candidate number. No other than candidate number 1.
And to pin the sash for our best in production, we have Ma'am Maricel Bersano. A round of applause for best in leader shimmering. Thank you so much, Ma'am Maricel. Yan ma'am. In sportswear, ladies and gentlemen, is none other than candidate number. Candidate number 8. Alright. Candidate number 4. Wow, our best in sportswear. Grabe niyang igid-igid ni Abang Magyud siyang pusel na nabog na ang best in sportswear. And to pin the sash, we have Erlinda and Kila.
A round of applause for Mama Erlinda and Kila.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our best is now, ladies and gentlemen, is candidate number.
No other than candidate number 4.
To pin the sash for our best in evening gown is none other than Ma'am Chufrida Castino. A round of applause for Ma'am Chufrida Castino. New version.
Wala mga award yung atin
Grabe ko, thank you to the mga teachers.
Sila Palupig. Once again, our best in evening gown. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Ato Tagalog, masigabong palakpakan. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. Oath of office. I, having been elected as of the Payao Elementary School Alumni Association, do hereby solemnly pledge allegiance to my alma mater, that I will faithfully perform the duties and responsibilities
of my position to the best of my ability and support all alumni activities and programs that will benefit the Alumni Association and the members in particular. That I will uphold the Constitution and bylaws of the Payao Elementary School Alumni Association. That I further pledge to exemplify the high ideals of my alma mater, to render positive service to community and nation, and to bring honor and respect to Payao Elementary School. That finally, I shall impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily and without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations sa atong bagong sets of alumni officers. Thank you sa inyong pagdawat sa kaakuhan isip mga opisyalis sa atong Alumni Association. And congrats! So looking forward for another 4th Grand Alumni Homecoming attorney soon to be. Thank you so much.
Sabi sa tanan, mingaman, di mo sa uyang siguro ako bagong president. Good evening everyone.
Good evening.
Okay, my utmost and highest honor and respect for our very own school principal of Payao Elementary School, Ma'am Daday, and to all the faculty and staff of Payao Elementary School. Together with a set of officers of the Payao Elementary School alumni, headed by our very own active and dynamic President Yopol. Congrats, palakpakan natin si Yopol. Grabe yung effort na ginawa ni Yopol to make this event, this alumni celebration, homecoming possible, no? So, ako lang masulti, hindi nga mo masasabi sa iyo mabuhat, but I am looking forward sa president of the new president of the alumni na unsay mabuhat sa atong alma mater year, no? So, expect ng tanin na project, siyempre. So, na project is coming next 5 years. In cooperation, in partnership with our principal and teacher, mga sawat ng po sa Brigade Eskwela, we have linkages of other stakeholders in the school, no? Especially sa alumni, sa mga parents. So, expect ng tama, magsay kakulangan ng eskwelahan, maningkang sa kaya sa mong organization, the Payao Elementary School Organization, alumni, kung magsay pong mahatag. Dila tamo sa akong pero sa makaya lang. According to Agaw Valencia, Libro Galos, nag-raise na siya po ng 50,000 pesos for this. So, expect ka mga dapat i-times to. Away problema na kay siya po. Siya po lang na. Don't worry, ma'am, na siya po. I'm senior advisor. Okay, so, thank you so much for the trust na yung ihatag sa ako. Although, I don't know, I was born to be a leader, pero kamutan na ito, no? Sa imong patos Payao, no? Teka kayong salamat. I really love Payao. Payao is my home after Jerry. Nagtudo na po dito sa Tuan City. And at the same time, dito na po nagpamilya, dito na nagpuyo. But this is, Payao Elementary School is always be my home, no? And we know that home, sweet home. So, sa asan kabos itong ginabuhi, mubalik kita sa atong yun na tauhan, mubalik kita sa atong lugar na asa tang nagtubo, no? Asa tang gikan. So, dugay kayong salamat, then it's really nice and glad to see you again. Thank you. Thank you so much.
1997 alumni.
Bidwetes.
Tagahan nato siya sa usa ka masigabong
Gabong palakpakan.
Jangan di matambang.
So thank you so much, Ma'am Zenaida Fedes.
Elementary School Certificate of Recognition is given to Jason A. Mengot, Ms. Sarah May Arcasis, in sincere appreciation of your valuable service as judge during the coronation night of the 3rd Grand Alumni Homecoming with the theme Creating Memories, We Celebrate Together, held on May 6 and 7, 2025 at Payao Elementary School, Payao, Guerrero, Bohol. Your presence, expertise, and integrity greatly contributed to the success and elegance of this special event. Given this 7th day of May 2025 at Payao Elementary School, Payao, Guerrero, Bohol. Signed, Dr. Margarita S. Dicayan, the school principal.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. A round of applause for Miss Sarah May S. Arcasis. And next in line, ladies and gentlemen, we have our second judge. We have Sir Marwin Olano. A round of applause for Marwin Olano. With us. I know may biyahe pag yung kagikan ng Cebu. So thank you so much. And same certificate of recognition is given to the chairperson of the Board of Judges, none other than Sir Jason Mendoza. A round of applause for Sir Jason. bestinpahapay.com. And then, ang atong tulong judges, how about giving our Board of Judges a thunderous applause? Tagahan nato sila usa ka mga bungaw na pakpak. Di na sila tagadani, pero nidogin sila sa atoang alma mater for giving their expertise, for sharing their time for us. So thank you so much, our Board of Judges. Dili lagi manginyuhang yagian o dili lagi manginyuhang gibuhat karong gabi una. And we're very happy and lucky nga nidong mo karon. So on this
Batch 2023.
a round of applause for Miss Crystal Salo. pin the sash for our 6 runners-up, we have Ma'am Olympia Castino. And to hand in the certificate, Ma'am Olympia will do the pinning of the sash and to hand in the certificate. Next in line, we have our 5th runners-up is from batch 1991. We have Mrs. Thelma Cagaitan. A round of applause for Mrs. Thelma. To pin the sash and to hand in the certificate, we have Mrs. Leonarda Likayan.
Runners-up is from batch 2000, Miss Joan Olania Reyes. To pin the sash and to give the certificate, Mrs. Amelina Lobonco.
Our 3rd runners-up is from batch 1990, Mrs. Anastasia Kapagin. To give the certificate and to pin the sash, we have Ms. Jocelyn Islamado.
Mrs. Rosalie Ampo, to give their certificate and to pin the sash, Mr. Jimmy Vistal. our first runner-up is from batch 1986, Mrs. Susanita Balabat, to give the certificate and to pin the sash, requesting Ma'am Melissa Acibas.
Payao Elementary School Alumni 2025. Make way for Queen Elena P. Laborte. Tagaan natong sa kamasigabong palakpakan, Queen Elena Laborte. To pin the sash, we have Ma'am Sarah May Arkansas and Sir Marwin Olano. To pin and to hand in the certificate, Ma'am Sarah May Arkansas and Mr. Marwin Olano.
And to crown the Miss PS Alumni 2025, requesting Dr. and Sir Paulito P. Castillo.
To don the cape, ladies and gentlemen, we have our chairperson of the Board of Judges, Jason Mendoza, together with our Vice President of Alumni, Sir Richard P. Balabat.
And Ma'am Sarah May Arkansas.
Elementary School Alumni 2025. We have Queen Elena P. Laborte. Round of applause. And thank you so much to our princesses. So you can all take your seats. Kada si Ofem, kaya na dyan ni Jack bisag ditso. Ingana na si Ofem. Oh. Go Fem! Laban Fem!